ǹlẹ́ gbogbo iléeṣẹ́ àlàáfíà lẹ́wà èmi ọmọ yín ọ̀rẹ́ yín ẹ̀gbọ́n yín àbúrò yín Titilope ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. Hi guys, this is your friend and your sister Titilope. What you have to say today? Àwọn Yorùbá lọ wọ́n bọ̀ wọ́n sọ wípé ibà tí ń rín okùn òtítọ́ kì í já. Bí irọ́ bá wúwo bí ìrókò wíwo ní wó. What does that mean in English? It means that even if tiny, the rope of honesty does not cut. It doesn't snap. And no matter how heavy a lie is, it will fall eventually. Kí ni ìtumọ̀ òwe tí mo wá pa yìí? Òun náà ni wípé tí ìwọ tó bá yẹ pé àṣà titi ẹni pé kó máa parọ́, wọ́n ti béèrè nǹkan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, ó ti parọ́. Eléyìí wọ́n béèrè ẹjọ́, eléyìí ó ti parọ́, tọ̀hún ó ti sọ irọ́ ló pa, máa pa lọ. Àwọn Yorùbá lọ wọ́n bọ̀ wọ́n sọ wípé wọ́n ní bí irọ́ bá lọ lógún ọdún, ọjọ́ kan òun lòtítọ́ ń bá. No matter how far a lie goes, even for 20 years, one day the truth will always catch up with it. So if you are in the habit of always telling lies, it is a really bad habit and you need to stop. You need to stop. You need to stop because one day the truth will always find its way out, no matter how tiny it is. So I want to encourage you. Maybe you are always in the habit of telling the truth and it looks as if, what's the point? What's the essence? Because you feel like the lies are always covering the truth. I want to encourage you that keep saying the truth. One day, the truth will always meet up with the lies. Eléyìí ni ìmọ̀ràn tí mo fẹ́ gbà yín. Ẹ dẹ̀ kọ́ àwọn ọmọ yín, ẹ kọ́ wọn bí wọ́n ti ń ṣe olótìtọ́ àti olódodo. No matter the situation, encourage your children to always say the truth. You will notice that I always bring children into this matter because they are still young and we are grooming them. So, and raise children who are truthful and who are honest. Encourage them to be honest, encourage them to be truthful. Ẹ kọ́ àwọn ọmọ tó jẹ́ olótìtọ́ àti tó jẹ́ olódodo. Don't be discouraged even when the lie wins. It may win now, but someday the truth will always come out. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti share video mi, láti like àti láti comment. Ẹ tẹ̀lé mi ní Facebook, ní Instagram, ẹ dẹ̀ tẹ̀lé mi ní YouTube. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń wò mí, ẹ subscribe. Just click the subscribe button and then I will appreciate that. Thank you. This is your friend. Have a wonderful day. Bye.